To make your gratitude potion, you will need a bowl, parchment paper, cutters. Inside your kit, find out the wildflowers ingredients. Star squish, and the wind sparkles. You also will need some flowers you get from nature. We remind you that this is a 2-day project. Into a bowl, place all the star squish, and the wind sparkles. Mix the dry ingredients and watch for a change in colors. Now, put a pinch of wildflowers. Take out your cutters and place the mixture into a piece of parchment paper. Now, decorate your mix with the flowers you found. Now, wait for 24 hours for the magical ingredients to react and the rock to form. After waiting 24 hours, your rock is dry and ready. Break it into pieces and store it in a container. Now, prepare your ingredients to make your new potion with your new rock. You will need ingredients for nature around you, the liquid fire, a teaspoon, wildflowers, place a piece of gratitude rock and a pinch of wildflowers into a bowl. Now, add the natural elements you collected. And a tablespoon of liquid fire. Close your eyes and say out loud the affirmation. I am a grateful person. Everywhere I look, I see something to be grateful for. Keep mixing. Use your creativity and have fun mixing new ingredients for your potion.
Innovation Nation.